Hi, this is Abhishek Saraf. I'm the Managing Director of Avadh Rubber. We are a Lucknow-based company serving the Indian Railways since 1977. Primarily, we are a manufacturer of metal to rubber bonded components, as you can see. We've been supplying to the Indian Railways for freight wagons, passenger coaches, locomotives, and off late also for tracks. Uh, in the last 5 years, we have also diversified and gone into polyurethane components, again serving the Indian Railways. Recently, we've had a lot of technical collaborations, partnerships and tie-ups with world-leading companies serving the international railways. I will introduce some of their components to you. This is TMT China. They are one of the largest manufacturers in China and in the world, manufacturing rubber to metal bonded components to the Chinese railways and tier 1 OEs like Bombardier, Siemens, Alstom, GE, Ansaldo, CAF. We supply air suspension for Indian Railways in their technical collaboration, conical rubber springs for primary suspension for again for EMUs. Introducing Avadh Rubber's products, we are into rubber to metal bonded components, hose pipes, cast elastomer products in technical collaboration with Bare Material Science and Chemtura. These are the products of TMT China, whom we represent exclusively. They are into anti-roll bar, bridge bearings, suspension pads, platform gap fillers, chevron springs. You name the rubber product and this company manufactures and supplies to the OEs. Moving forward to their other products, these are bushes, links, pads, again for all rolling stock applications. To our other technical collaborators and companies we represent, this is Ace Tucky and Alco Springs. Ace Tucky and Alco Springs are 100-year-old companies in America, AAR approved, certified by the American Association of Railroads. They are both companies who serve the entire American railroad. Along with that, they supply to big OEs like GE, EMD, General Motors. We are exclusive representatives for their side bearer, the constant contact side bearer, and AAR M948 approved product. We are also representing their steel coil springs. You'd be amazed to know that the largest steel coil spring manufactured by them goes up to 4" in diameter. Qingdao Ultimate is one of our most recent partners. We just partnered with them hardly 6 months ago, and we are introducing their gangways. These are UIC approved gangways. Their automatic door systems. Beyond this, they are also into toilets and interiors. Again, this is an IRIS approved company. IRIS is the certification awarded by the consortium of Bombardier, Siemens, Alstom and CAF, the highest certification possible. And we have already started getting orders from ICF Chennai and are working with Bombardier and Siemens on their products. Another one of our partners is Top Fasteners Australia. Mr. Ray Cuvers is the Managing Director of Top Fasteners. Top Fasteners is a leading manufacturer of lock bolts, basically similar to the hug bolt concept. We have partnered with Top Fasteners to introduce their products in India and have a long-term vision to manufacture these products indigenously very soon. I'd like Mr. Ray Cuvers, the Managing Director of Top Fasteners Australia, to say a few words and introduce his product.
Let me explain that the system is installed by a hydraulic power pump, which weighs about 35 kilos, followed by this hydraulic hose. And this hydraulic hose is connected to this installation tool. And to install this fastener, simply put this collar into the bolt, place it into the tool, press the trigger, and that's done, finished in about 5 seconds. And there is a guaranteed clamp force of about half a ton in here. Anyone who press the trigger and install this is a guaranteed result.
Now I'd like to introduce you to the newest company in our group, in Sumo group of companies, that is Sumo Forging. This company has started hardly 4 months ago, and it has started off with a 12,000 ton hydraulic press for closed die forging in net and near net forgings. We are talking about components to the size of 300 kilos, single component of 300 kilos. As you can see, this is a gear blank. This has been forged in our press, the 12,000 ton press. This is a pinion which has been also forged in our press. Both these components have not undergone any machining. The product is as forged immediately out of the press and the die. Now such heavy forgings which do not require machining is very unique. There are only very few companies conducting near net forging in India, that too for components of 300 grams, 600 grams, 800 grams. To think of component of 300 kilos is absolutely something new. There is only 1 or 2 companies in America, that is Pressrite and some others, who are conducting closed die near net forging of products up to 30 kilos or 40 kilos. We call these revolutionary products. We are now working with Bombardier for development of anti-roll bar. We are working with EMD for development of top deck and further bull gears. We are very excited about this opportunity. Now I'd like to introduce you to one of our other partners, Delcor. Delcor are from Australia. They are a 30-year-old company specializing in fastening systems for ballastless tracks. This is a sample of their product.
Hello, I'm Peter Schonstein from the company Delcor, and we've been working with Avadh Rubber now for over 3 years in marketing our products here. This exhibition's been very well attended, good, very well presented, and we've been very happy with the results. As you see, we have the 2 base plate designs. This is the main one we're offering for the RDSO here and the other Hyderabad Metro and other metros. Basically, our base plate changes from the conventional base plate in that we have a bonded system, which basically makes it maintenance free and should get about up to at least 30 years maintenance free life. We have this model, which is a compression type base plate, and then we have the other unit, which is called an egg base plate in section. It uses the rubber cone section and provides much higher attenuation in terms of noise and vibration. The units come in various designs for 2-hole, 4-hole, or whichever configuration the client requires. And we look forward to doing good business here in India and progress further with our Avadh Rubber to local manufacture.
Integrico Composites USA is one of our partners who are a leading manufacturer in America of composite sleepers. Composite sleepers basically are made with recycled plastics waste. It's a great service to the environment, I would say. Indian Railways is very keen to use composite sleepers in bridges, girders and turnouts